This is English for Grade 5, produced by Tigray Education Bureau, transmitted by Dimtsi Weyane Tigray National and FM radio satellites and social media, and also FM Maqala 104.4.
Hello students, this is English for Grade 5, Radio Program 2, Unit 6, Like and Dislikes. Let me remind from the previous lesson. At previous lesson we learned about words, sentences, and simple present tense. Students, what did you know about the above main points? Alright, students. Words are a group of letters that give meaning. Sentences are a group of phrases and a complete thought. Simple present tense is a tense used to express general truths and habitual action. Let us proceed to today's lesson. Today's lesson is about degrees of adjectives and adverb of frequency. Section A, degrees of adjectives. There are 3 degrees of adjectives. These are 1. Positive degree, 2. Comparative degree, 3. Superlative degree. Let us see one by one. 1. Positive degree. Positive degree is used to compare 2 persons, animals, or things that have the same quality. As is used with the positive degree in affirmative sentence. Example 1. Almaz is as tall as Salam. This means the same height. Example 2. Comparative degree. It is used to compare 2 persons, things, or animals. Than and are is used with the comparative degree. Example 1. Dawit is shorter than Meron. Example 2. Afar is hotter than Gambella. The third main point is superlative degree. It is used to compare more than 2 persons, animals, or things. Example 1. Abdu is the most intelligent boy in our school. Example 2. Bella is the best player in our team. As you can see from the above examples, the superlative degree is preceded by the. Examples 1. The most intelligent. 2. The best. Generally, when an adjective ends with Y letter, Y is changed into I and AR or AST is added. Example 1. Heavy. Its comparative form is heavier. Its superlative form is heaviest. Example 2. Dry. Its comparative form is drier. Its superlative form is driest. Example 3. Lazy. Its comparative form is lazier. Its superlative form is laziest. Example 4. Angry. Its comparative form is angrier. Its superlative form is angriest. When the adjective is one syllable, consonant, vowel, consonant, that means CVC, the last consonant should be doubled. Example 1. Hot. H-O-T. Its comparative form is hotter, H-O-T-T-E-R. Its superlative form is hottest, H-O-T-T-E-S-T. Example 2. Big. Its comparative form is bigger. Its superlative form is biggest. Example 3. Sad. Its comparative form is sadder. Its superlative form is saddest. Example 4. Thin. Its comparative form is thinner. Its superlative form is thinnest. If an adjective has 2 and above 2 syllables, we added more and most. Example 1. Beautiful. Its comparative form is more beautiful. Its superlative form is most beautiful. Example 2. Expensive. Its comparative form is more expensive. Its superlative form is most expensive. Example 3. Intelligent. Its comparative form is more intelligent. Its superlative form is most intelligent. Example 4. Interesting. Its comparative form is more interesting. Its superlative form is most interesting. Students, now we are going to do some exercises. Exercise 1. Choose the correct answer from the given choices. Question number 1. Ras Dashen is blank mountain in Ethiopia. A. As high as. B. Higher. C. The highest. D. Highest. Ras Dashen is blank mountain in Ethiopia. A. As high as. B. Higher. C. The highest. D. Highest. The correct answer is C. The highest. Question number 2. Aster is blank than Kibrom. A. The tallest. B. Tall. C. Tallest. D. Taller. Aster is blank than Kibrom. A. The tallest. B. Tall. C. Tallest. D. Taller. The correct answer is D. Taller. Question number 3. This is blank book in our library. A. The goodest. B. The best. C. Better. D. Good. This is blank book in our library. A. The goodest. B. The best. C. Better. D. Good. The correct answer is B. The best. Well, students, now to summarize this lesson, there are 3 degrees of comparisons. These are 1. The positive or simple degree. 2. The comparative degree. 3. The superlative degree. Number 1. Positive or simple degree. It is used to compare two persons, animals, or things that have the same quality. Its form is using as. 2. Comparative degree. It is used to compare two persons, things, or animals. Its form is using more, AR, and than. 3. The superlative degree. It is used to compare more than two things, persons, or animals. It is using the most and AST. Section B. Adverbs. An adverb is a word that modifies or qualifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. In other words, an adverb is a word that adds meaning to a verb and an adjective. Example 1. Aster sings beautifully. Beautifully is an adverb and it modifies the verb sings. Example 2. Our English teacher speaks English very well. The adverb very modifies or qualifies another adverb well. Example 3. Sarah is very short. The adverb very modifies or qualifies the adjective short. There are several kinds of adverbs. Some of them are 1. Adverb of frequency, 2. Adverbs of manner, 3. Adverbs of place, 4. Adverbs of time, 5. Adverbs of degree. Now we are going to see adverbs of frequency. An adverb of frequency expresses, answers the question how often. It also expresses the number of times an action happens. Some of these are sometimes, usually, always, frequently, daily, yearly, every day, etc. Here are some examples. Example 1. He sometimes drinks alcohol. Question. How often does he drink alcohol? Answer. Sometimes. Sometimes is an adverb of frequency. Example 2. They play football every day. Question. How often do they play football? Answer. Every day. Every day is an adverb of frequency. Example 3. We see a movie twice a week. Question. How often do we see a movie? Answer. Twice a week. Twice a week is an adverb of frequency. Students, now we are going to do some exercises. Exercise 2. Choose the correct answer from the given choices. Question number 1. They went to Magala blank. A. Tomorrow. B. Next week. C. 2 days ago. D. Next month. They went to Magala blank. A. Tomorrow. B. Next week. C. 2 days ago. D. Next month. The correct answer is C. 2 days ago. Question number 2. Mahalet, blank does he live? Dawit, he lives in Quiha. A, where? B, when? C, how often? D, how? Mahalet, blank does he live? Dawit, he lives in Quiha. A, where? B, when? C, how often? D, how? The correct answer is A, her. Question number 3. She sang a song, blank. A, beauty. B, beautiful. C, beautifully. D, A and B. She sang a song, blank. A, beauty. B, beautiful. C, beautifully. D, A and B. The correct answer is C, beautifully. Question number 4. He went blank. A, yesterday to Magala. B, to Magala yesterday. C, last week to Magala. D, all are correct. He went blank. A, yesterday to Magala. B, to Magala yesterday. C, last week to Magala. D, all are correct. The correct answer is B, to Magala yesterday. Question number 5. Tesfai, blank, do you go to school? حلفهم 5 days a week. A, how much? B, how many? C, how long? D, how often? Tesfai, dash do you go to school? حلفهم 5 days a week. A, how much? B, how many? C, how long? D, how often? The correct answer is D, how often? To summarize this particular lesson, an adverb modifies or qualifies a verb, an adjective or another adverb. An adverb of frequency answers the question how often. It also expresses the number of times an action happens. Every day, daily, twice a day, usually, how often, monthly, sometimes are adverb of frequency. Thus, adverbs cannot be used with the present continuous tense and the past continuous tense. Such an adverb can be used with the simple present tense or simple past tense. Example 1. They sometimes play volleyball. They sometimes play volleyball. This tense indicates to simple present tense. Example 2. They sometimes played volleyball. They sometimes played volleyball. This tense indicates to simple past tense. Generally, sometimes, often, usually, each are adverb of frequency. and thus adverbs cannot be used with the present continuous tense and past continuous tense. Thus adverbs can be used with the simple present tense and the simple past tense. Students, this is all about today's lesson. Until next week, have a great week. Goodbye.